are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone.
And if you want the instant growth without doing all this daily, you have to message me on Instagram. I offer real TikTok followers that don't drop. You can get 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or any number of TikTok followers just by messaging me on my Instagram account. Here you can see that I have given my services to other people as well. And let me show you another proof here. You can take a look here. There are many people and my Instagram is full of the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. The solution number 1 will also work if you are ready to spend some time on your TikTok account. But if you want the instant followers in just 5 to 10 minutes, just message me on Instagram and let's do it together. Waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.